x cancels x. Therefore, 2 to the power of n is equal to 1 over x. Option A is the correct answer. Good. This is bonus question, right? It's calculator. So just pull up your calculator and do justice to it. You are free. So pick your calculator along with me. Let's fill it together and see. You see the answer will just come out. Just make sure you set in the right keys. You are free in setting the right keys. Okay, so we have 27 to the power half, 27 raised to the power half. So fraction, half, 1, half. Good. Make sure you bring the cursor down. Times 64 to the power 1/3. 64 to the power 1/3. So that's also fraction. Open fraction key. 1/3. Arrow. 3. Arrow. I bring my cursor down. Divided by 81 1/4. Divided by 81 power 1/4 fraction. So 1 4. Here. This is the answer I had. Is there any decimal? No. One of these is likely to be answer. So let's see. SD. I told you. So 4 3 is the answer. So don't work. Get this. Paper 2. Use calculator. Work towards it. Amazing. I hope you love it. If 2025 is equal to this, find the square root of that. It says find the square root of that. Examiner say find the square root of 4. It's not this you write. The same thing. So you just write it and go. So square root of this, what do we get? If you are applying calculator, let's see. Square root of that. Those of you who want to use calculator, that will be your strategy. So find the square root of that. So square root of 2025 is 45. 45. But look at the answer. The answers are what? Prime factors. So I divide. We have done 45 before. Do you remember? We got 3 squared times 5. Do you remember that? That's what we have. So recall. Good. So this will be the answer. But let's see. Show working. It said if this equals raw like this, find the square root of the same thing. So the square root of 2025 to be a good year will be what? Will be the square root of the same thing. You see it? Power 3, power 4, times 5, power 2. Open is equal to this answer. So when you square root it, then the answer must also be square rooted. Finish. Now let's go. You know that square, what do they say it means? There are 2 inside. So I open a bracket, 3 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 2. This is reciprocate, so half. This is multiplying what is inside for this bracket. So you get 3 to the power 4 times half times 5 to the power 2 also times half, or it is multiplying the 2 of them. This cancel that, we get 1. This cancel that, we get 2. 3 2, 3 1 is 2 1 is 4 2. So 3 to the power 2. Then 5 to the power 1. So that becomes the answer. Finish. Bonus question. Equation. Let's go quickly. Good. 3 power y. I can say power x. Though there's y. So 3 power y. But I'll put x there. I make a set equal to 243. 243. 243. I will solve it because it's an equation. The answer is 5. Don't waste your time at all. The moment you see equation, you know it's bonus. Similar one here, so I'll not even talk at all. Let's go straight away. 4 to the power x, alpha bracket, 4 power alpha bracket, forward arrow to bring me down, equal to 2 raised to the power 3x minus 3 minus 3. That's it. I solve it. It's an equation. Shift solve. The answer is 3. Bonus. So how many seconds will it take you? You know that in the examination, right? So you see the number of time you are saving if you apply your calculator to solve equations. So let's go. The next one says 16 to the power y. 16 power, and the power is y. I'll put x there. Okay, equal to, sorry, I press the wrong key. So I press my arrow back and I get 16x equal to 8. I solve it. This is what I have. Now SD 0.75. What is 0.75 SD? Let me type it again because of the calculator I'm using. 16 power x, right, equals sign, calculate 8, shift solve 0.75. 0.75. So let me 0.7. Let me type it directly. 0.75 equal to SD 3/4. 3/4. This is the answer. This is an evaluation, so you don't solve, you evaluate. Into brackets, as he has done it, do the same thing for him. 64, close your bracket, power 5/6 raised to the power fraction 5 divided by 6, 32. 32. Finished. All right, let's move on. Find the true set of the equation. They say you solve it. Just I put it in bracket. Paper 2. The true set is such that this equals that. That's all right. I've taught you a linear equation and inequality. Watch it, you get how to present it in paper 2. This one they'll just put it in bracket. So it's the same equation. Solve it. So let's go quickly. 2 to the power 9x minus 3. 2 raised to the power 9x minus 3. Forward arrow brings me down, equal sign. 8 to the power 3 minus x. 8 to the power raised to the power 3 minus x. 3 minus x. Nicely. I solve. Good. This is what I have. Let me press SD and C. Okay. I get 1. So we pick this one. This is the answer. 1. You understand? Okay. I'll give you a complete number, but this is 1. In your calculator, you get 1 direct straight away in your scientific calculator. Alright, this is an evaluation. So let's do justice to it quickly. Brackets 4 to the power half. 4 power fraction half. Arrow 2. Okay. Brackets. Then plus. Who's there? Alright, so plus 9 to the power half. 9 power fraction half. Alright. Plus 16 power half. Plus 16 power half. Plus 16 also power half is the power fraction half. Okay, brackets. You close your brackets. All power 2. So power 2. So you can check if you have inserted the right data. The answer is 81.